If you also want to remove arrows from desktop shortcut icons like this, then follow this tutorial till the end. Go to the search bar and type registry editor and click on open. Give access when it asks by clicking on S. Then here you will see ASCII local machine in the left side. Just click on the arrow near it to expand it, and then expand the software folder, then expand the Microsoft folder, and you need to keep scrolling until you see Windows over here. I have found it over here. Just expand it. Then here you will see current version. Just expand it. Scroll a bit down till you find Explorer over here. Right click on it. Go to new and then key. Now there is like a new folder. Just rename it and type cell icons. Make sure it is case sensitive, so you type exactly the same with S and I capital and others small letters. Once done, you will get a space in the right side. Right click on it, click on new, and then string value and name it 29. Press enter. Now double click on it and here type exactly what I have typed over here: %windir \, system32 / cell32 .dll, comma, -sign and 50. Click on OK. Now we are just going to minimize this window. Right click on the start button and open Task Manager. Over here search for Windows Explorer and click on Restart Tasks. And here you can see the icon from our desktop shortcut has been removed. You can now close the registry editor. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to Mac369 and hit a like.